I got a Labubu. Leo has been wanting a Labubu and I finally got him one. I have one, my husband has one, Claire has one, but I never got him one because they're so hard to get. I was able to get ours through the Park Mart Live because they always do lives and they start selling them on there, but you have to compete against all these people that are in the live and sometimes like you don't even get a chance to buy it. He's obsessed with Labubus. He's always singing the Labubu song. And he's been telling me he wants a Labubu. So I was like, you know what? I'm going to try to get him one. And I joined their live. And as soon as I joined their live, they were about to put them out to sell. So it's crazy because if you go on TikTok, like they're selling them randomly. So it's not like they're selling them throughout the whole live. No. They're just doing it like randomly without letting anybody know that they're going to sell them. It's just like surprisingly. And it is Pop Mart. It is them doing it. They have like the little check mark, the blue check mark. So randomly, I popped in their live. They were about to put them out for release to get them. And they go quick. When I'm telling you they go quick, they go quick. And I was able to snack him one. And I got my nephew one as well. And I was able to get him one. So I'm so excited to see what he gets. So these are the options that he can get. Claire has that one. My husband has this one. And I got one of the macaroon collections. And I got the green one from the macaroon collection. But let's see what Leo gets. So I'm going to surprise him. He doesn't know. He knows that I bought him one, but he doesn't know that it arrived today. I have a surprise for you. You want to guess what it is?
Yeah.
What is it? Can you guess?
Rain, a box of a labubu.
A Labubu! Which one do you think it's going to be right there?
Maybe
The secret? What other one would you be happy with?
this one, the green one.
The green one?
Yeah.
Oh, I know. Match your outfit. Let's see. Open it.
Okay. How am I opening?
You're going to open it right here. You're going to pull that. What did you get?
On white.
Oh my god! You got the one that's matching you! Oh my goodness! You like it?
Yeah!
I think it's cool! Labubu! Labu labu! Labubu! Labubu! Labu labu! Labubu! Sebas got a Labubu. You want to open it?
Yeah.
Tell them which one you wish you want.
Okay.
Show.
I get the love one.
You want the love one?
Yeah. Oh,
All right.
How to do it? Yeah.
Oh, these are export.
Oh,
you got the same one as Bruno.
That was cute.
Bruno had that. Oh, that.
It's cute.
You like it? You got the luck one. Oh, for good luck.
Wait, is it on it?
Yeah.
You know, I got the good luck.
Yes, you did. We made it to the water park. So we're in Island Waters here in Fresno. It's only like an hour and 40 minutes away from us. So we decided to bring the kids. We have everything here. We rent these floaties. So we got a double one for the lazy river. The park is pretty big. It's like really big. Ready guys? Say cheese! They're up there. Oh, they're going down. Look. Say hi to the vlog.
Hi.
What are we making today?
Pizza.
We're making pizza. We got the dough already made at Trader Joe's. We got 2, so we're gonna make 2 pizzas. One for Mama and Papa and one for Claire and Leo. And we oiled up the pots already. Perfect. Now let's start the pizza. I'll be cutting everything up while they're spreading the dough. Now Claire, let me help. Pull it up from up there. There you go. Just like now we're gonna spread it. If you don't have one of these yet, slicers, you need one because these are literally game changer. You can adjust it from the numbers. I think I got this like at Home Goods, somewhere around those stores. Number 1, which is like super thin. Let me see if I like that thin. There you go. I think that's like the perfect thin. Perfect. So I'm gonna stay with number 1 for the mushrooms. It also came with a little handle so you won't cut yourself, but I lost it. I don't know where it's at, and I probably don't feel like looking for it right now. Look how perfect it just slices everything.
I know.
Perfect. Lastly, we have the olives. We got these at Walmart. Yes, Leo's and Claire's favorite. They love olives and mushroom in their pizza. And right here we have our sausage. These are just regular sausages that we had in our freezer for a while. These are like spicy chicken. And we just opened it up and we threw it in there because we love sausage in our pizza. Here's the one Claire did for her and her brother. They love olives, pepperoni, sausage, and mushrooms. And this is the parents. And Leo did this with his dad and me. We got peppers, jalapenos, onions, pepperoni, half olives because I'm not an olive person. Too salty for me. But it looks delicious. Somebody's already eating stuff. Is it good? Sausage? Yeah? Perfect.
Okay, I'm gonna do guys just first, okay? Alright guys, so you guys are excited for your pizza?
Yeah.